he doesn't kill himself, yeah, I'll go on it. Oh, heads up, Mr. Cracker.
Honestly, that's high enough.
Okay, just jump. I'm gonna hit the water right there.
Okay. Pull the rope tighter.
Should I?
Yeah, do it. Hurry.
Do one way or the other, but whatever it is, go.
Keep going.
Keep going, Jesse.
Keep going. Paddle, 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 paddle. Let's go. Push through. There you go. You don't want to wait in this fast water. You want to paddle hard to it. Keep going. All right? Watch those sticks. Paddle hard, paddle hard, paddle hard. Watch out. There you go. Watch out. Oh.
Paddle. You guys paddle.
Paddle. We got it, we got it. Paddle.
If you're not paddling, you don't have it.
You don't have it, you're just paddling through. Let's go. Hang on. I had to jump. Watch out for that. Got it.
Say something, you're on video.
What up?
Yeah, very good, very good.
Yeah. Float down the river.
Maybe like acorns.
Back here. Get the backer on the right places. Shut up.
They're videotaping all of this.
Can't go in. Scotty know about that.
Oh, too late. Hey, Jared.
All right, turn it
Jared,
over now.
You and I have plenty of experience doing that.
All right, now you got to get back in and paddle your canoe up to me.
Hold on, let me get paddle.
Wait, what?
Getting paddle.
That's water in.
I know there's supposed to be water in it. Capsize the canoe, get back in, and paddle the swamp canoe 25 yards.
Why would you paddle a swamp canoe?
Yep.
You can't touch it. There's no way to lift.
Right. That's a good question. Why do we do it that way? Why do you have to canoe 25 yards?
Can they hold on to it and swim with it?
No, they have to get in and paddle it.
You can't really get in a swamp canoe.
Yeah, you can.
Jared, you stay over here and out of the way.
You're gonna sink it. Yeah. There's something
You just need to be down the river a little bit, okay?
So we did it. Alright, let's try it again. Okay?
You gotta get in it. Same rules apply. Why get on the other side? Awesome.
Alright, let's try. You videotaping, Dad? Alright. That figure. Are they on the jumping out part, man? Get it out way, Jesse.
You got that, right?
Can we get started?
Yeah, wait till, I don't want you doing it right beside them, though.
No, you pedal down. Fine, you just need to get in fast.
You know what you got to do first? Scott and Jake.
Ready?
Hey, Scotty and Jake. Come on back over this way here. I don't know if they're going to roll over. I don't want them to come, face.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Jake, move. Jake, y'all back out of the way.
Okay.
Where's your paddle?
And me. Get in the boat, get in the boat, get in the boat. Wide set base. Okay. Go. Turn around, you're facing the wrong way. Ah. Get out of the way.
Turn around.
Come over here. Jesse, you're sitting in the wrong direction. Turn around.
It's in a swamp canoe. It's really not that hard to turn around.
Free entertainment here.
Up here towards the landing spot, guys.
Jump right there. You can't touch.
Now why are you paddling backwards and he's paddling forward?
We're trying to rotate. I don't know if that works underwater.
I don't know.
We're hitting something.
I just
You're hitting a tree.
Come on, paddle.
Why would you use this skill?
Forward, Austin, forward.
Austin.
Hey, look.
Together.
From that height, I'm gonna need like 8 or 9 feet of water.
Now, in all fairness, they're going upstream. Can you touch? Can you hit the bottom with your paddle?
You're doing a good job right now.
No. Yes.
Right, get up there to the landing area.
Keep going. Keep the work.
Y'all come on up this way.
Yeah, there's a good capsize.
That's good.
Hey, that's good. That's enough water in there.
You're good?
Middle of the boat. What? Middle. As you kick over, grab for the other side.
Yeah, that's like a big like water hole. And it was all just like
Oh, it went in.
The other side.
fluid and blood.
One time, way over and grab to the other side. There you go, grab, go, pull yourself in, now twist.
Burst this out. Two names in this thing. Actually, Jeffrey James.
Okay, bring it back.
Flip over.
Can we throw stuff at him?
Oh, that is his head.
I'm scared.
I don't know. I still think they're scared. They haven't got you took it down yet.
Oh, hey.
What do you want? What's it do?